Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Subaru Outback. First, gather your essential tools: a 17mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You will also need about 5 quarts of new engine oil, typically 0 weight 20 or 5 weight 30, and a fresh oil filter. Safely lift your vehicle using jack stands on a level surface, then locate the oil drain plug and filter. Now let's drain the old oil. Place your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. Using your 17mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Allow at least 10 to 15 minutes for all the old engine oil to completely drain. While it drains, inspect the drain plug gasket. Replace it if it appears worn to prevent leaks. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter and fresh oil. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, pour about 5 quarts of the correct new engine oil into the fill port. For the final steps, reinstall the drain plug, tightening it to approximately 30 foot-pounds of torque. Lower your vehicle and start the engine, letting it run for a minute or two to circulate the new oil, then check for any leaks. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, and then check the oil level using the dipstick. Remember to properly dispose of your used engine oil at an authorized recycling center.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.